inform, in my forest department, we have 450 JFMC committee, Joint Forest Management Committee, which was constituted, which was formed earlier. Even there, the Tripura Motha volunteer entered in the office, in the forest office, and prevent the development activities. It's very shameful. The forest department is running. It is our state government proper department. Tripura Motha or any volunteer have no right to enter in the forest office. We were reported from different part of the state. Since I was the forest minister, I was informed by the forester, enranger, and DFU. Many Tripura Motha volunteers, they went in the forest office and tried to stop our development activities. Now we have two projects, Indo-German project and JICA projects is going on, activities is going on. But unfortunately, Tripura Motha volunteers illegally entered the office and they threatened, they used slang language to my officers, forest officers, and they try to prevent, they try to stop the development activities. It's very shameful. I want to request the Tripura Motha chairman, or Bubagra Prodikishu Deborma, to look into this matter. It's a very shameful matter. Nowhere in the country, nowhere in the state is happening this kind of activities. Therefore, I strongly condemn this kind of activities which is committed by the Tripura Motha volunteers. Therefore, our party IPFT is observing the situation. We are calling down to dust burn on 22nd May. I will inform all the division level volunteers, our youth, our artists, all the leaders and volunteers of our party to maintain peace and democratically. We are doing the 24-hour burns. Especially will be affected, will be in the Addis area. Therefore, as you know, IPFT always organize peacefully, democratically. We never disturb anybody. Therefore, even today, I have informed my Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev. I just have a meeting with him. I also informed him that all the anti-social element is prevailing in the Addis area, especially after the ADC election, that all the criminals, all this element should be stopped, and we have given a lot of FIR filed against who are involved in these activities, who have damaged our property, stolen, robbed our property. All these people, whoever he may belong to any political party members, he may belong to IPFT, he may belong to Tripura Motha or BG, whatever. Culprit is culprit. Those have books and FIR have launched against them, against their name, should be arrested. And CM, Chief Minister, have assured me that within 10 days he will look this matter. If not, then IPFT will think otherwise. Because IPFT, you know, we have a still strong hold in our Addis area. We have 1,100 youth are still waiting. Therefore, I am requesting the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal, to maintain peace. And I am assuring you, coming burn 22nd May, we will maintain peace. And I will inform all the volunteers not to disturb anybody, not to break the law, not to take the law in their own hand. Therefore, I request all the people of Tripura to cooperate with us, so that I think the peace and law and order will be established in Tripura. Thank you. Tini, hai no hai, kaya sung press meet